Well, great weather for today. That is for sure. 75 degrees, sunny conditions, humidity at 60%. That dew point up to 61 degrees. Temperatures throughout the entire UP throughout this afternoon have been on the warm side. Look at this, already 80 degrees in Ironwood, 79 in Crystal Falls, 67 in Houghton is the cool spot. Now pushing towards the east, that's where we see those numbers just barely breaking into that 70-degree plateau. 70 in Munising and Manistee, 69 in Escanaba. But overall, those sizzling afternoons continue thanks to that southerly flow. 8 in Iron Mountain, 12 in Escanaba, 9 in Munising, and even at 9 in Ironwood. Now, those mornings, though, those really be more of an eye popper. If you notice, those mornings really beginning to creep up in that thermometer. If you remember, just about a week ago, we were dealing with morning temperatures into those 30s with a patchy frost, and now we're about a good 30 degrees warmer. We're actually about a good 15 to 20 degrees above normal for mid to late September standards, and we're going to continue like that at least through the first part of the weekend. So enjoy the warmth if you're a fan. Make sure to take a dip in those waters. It's feeling mighty nice at this time of the year with this mercury already up into those upper 70s to low 80s. Now the chance of rain begins to slowly creep up through the entire weekend. For tomorrow and into Saturday, we'll keep it between 10 to 20%. But by Sunday, that's when we'll have a better chance of rain at 30% as a cold front slides into the area. And that's going to set up for a seasonable start to the next work week. So when it comes to Monday, it's going to feel cool, but technically speaking, it's going to feel more like what it's supposed to be now as we push towards the back end of September. Now, here is a good amount of clear skies dominating thanks to high pressure and control. Here's pretty much what's left of Irma as it makes its way towards parts of the mid-Atlantic and then towards the northwest. That is partially associated with our next disturbance, and that's what's going to keep somewhat of our rain chances here and there through the next couple of days before we get that cold front on Sunday. So the actual disturbance itself that we're going to be dealing with on Sunday is already in parts of the Rockies, bringing in some snow into the higher elevations. But this rain in Montana and North Dakota, great news for them, especially for those wildfires. That's going to allow for those firefighters to really, reduce that work when it comes to putting out those fires. And even into tomorrow, that rain continues, but colder conditions already arriving for them. That is also a bonus when it comes to those wildfires as cooler air begins to drive in for them. But ahead of it, we are going to continue to see this sizzle and fire, so make sure to stay hydrated, have that sunscreen with you as we go into Friday and into Saturday. So overall, great weather will prevail, but still there is that small chance of a shower or thunderstorm on both Friday and Saturday. Better chance really begins to arrive on Sunday with the arrival of that front, and that's going to allow for that cool air to really settle in on Monday and into Tuesday. Now for tonight, the warm night, that's for sure, 60 degrees, winds out of the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. May even feel a little bit of that mugginess as you wake up tomorrow morning. Isolated afternoon storms, temperatures topping out along the Wisconsin border into those low 80s, 81 in Florence, 73 in Houghton, 78 in Munising. And then here are the next couple of days. Look at that, 80 degrees on Saturday, falling though into those low to mid 60s on Monday with a good amount of sunshine, and morning lows also taking a tumble into those mid 40s early next week.